Hi guys, welcome to the channel The Forex Bible. In this video, I'm going to explain you my trade where I actually converted my $100 stop loss into $355. In this video, I'm going to tell you specifically how I did my fundamental analysis and then my technical analysis and made this trade. So going first on the fundamental analysis, I use the website chartner.com where you can see about the fundamental rating of the UNHG, that means United Health Group Incorporated. So in this fundamental rating, and you see that taking everything out into account, UNH scores 6 out of 10 in their fundamental rating. So no doubt, when we are doing long-term investing, we need fundamental analysis more. But still, when I intraday trading in the markets, I'm really very interested of how the stock is actually doing on the fundamental rating as well. So if you look over here, it's overall the basic checks are good. Each year in the past 5 years, UNH has had a positive operating cash flow. UNH has always been profitable and they have positive cash flow from operations. That means they are not doing any free cash flow from any financing activity or investing activity, whatever their operations are, operating profits as well as the cash flows on a regular basis. So this is the chart from the 2014 till 2022, in which you can see that the net income, the EBIT, the earnings before interest and tax, the operating cash flows and the free cash flows have been increasing on a daily basis. And majorly my focus is on the operating cash flows. Because the operating cash flows are positive, that means the share is going to be highly volatile and I need to add this stock into my future watch list. So while I was analyzing it fundamentally and it was a strong stock, what I did was my second part was the technical analysis where I started doing scalping via price action on the 1 minute time frame. So starting the analysis, what you have to do, always start my analysis from the previous day onwards where I can see that the price was giving us a downward momentum on the previous day. Now in the next day, what did happen in the market? The market actually gapped up. So this stock actually gapped up on the next day where I was actually very much, you can say, confident that the price will try to go towards the downside first and then we will see the future momentum of the price. So I actually missed my first trade over here where the price was giving me a bearish opportunity. I could have made my first profit in the opening itself when the price was gapping up and then was giving me lower highs and then the price was moving towards the downside, giving me 1:3 over here as well. So I was not able to take this trade. I was not available on the street. So what did happen over here after the price gapped up and the price took out the downside liquidity over here? This is the previous day low, as you can see. On the previous day, in the second half of the market, this was my previous day low in the market. No doubt your previous day low is at a very lower level, but I am very much concerned in the next day what has happened to the second half of the previous day only. Now in the second half of the previous day, the market made a very good support at this level of 524.24. And from here, the price moved upside, that means gapped up and then started going downside, giving us a chunk towards the downside, taking out the downside liquidity in the market. Now from here, what did happen? 50% chance was there that the price will try to continue towards the downside like this only, but that didn't happen. As you can see, what was really interesting in this part is that the price actually started moving as a bullish momentum like this, and as soon as the price actually go above this level of the resistance of 526.57, I was very much confident that the price will be in the bullish direction for quite some time. After giving us a good big of structure towards the upside, or you can say breaking up the resistance from this major level of here, price continued towards the upside, making new higher highs and higher lows, breaking new levels of resistance again and again. So again, the price created a new level of resistance from where the price again broke up towards this side and exactly at this level of 528.5. As you can see, 528.5, the psychological level, what did happen? From this level onwards, the price started giving us a bearish momentum first. So rather than taking out the upside liquidity, the price was first actually trapping all the buyers from here. All those buyers who have seen this, you can say, bullish rectangle or bullish pennant pattern over here when the traders are trying to trade the chart patterns, they all traded on the bullish side on the breakout of this pennant pattern over here, putting their stop losses on the downside. And this is where my entry was, because I knew that this share cannot continue further upside before taking out the downside liquidity, because even if the price wants to continue towards the upside, the price has to take out the downside liquidity and then the price is only able to take out the upside liquidity. As you can see, that didn't happen in the market. So what was my conjecture is, if this bullish pattern goes above this resistance level, then I'm not looking for a sell for now. But if this sustains, if this major resistance level of 528.30 is going to sustain in the market, then I'm looking for a bearish opportunity. And as soon as the price makes this resistance from here, the price starts going downside, giving us new lower highs and lower lows. And as soon as the market gives a breakout towards the downside from this minor breakout, I started and entered my trade with 42 cents stop loss. Since it was a 42-cent stop loss, I actually traded with 200 quantities, because if the price would have gone against my favor of the price, as the price would have moved towards the upside only, I would have only lost $100. But that didn't happen, and rather I was able to do that, I knew that the price will try to go downside. Now the next point was very interesting. Where should I target to? Because even if the price wants to go downside, it is not sure that the price will go towards a hold down, try to take out this level as well. I'm not sure about this. So what we need to get sure about is, where is the highest point of liquidity in this market when you are seeing the price that is going to go downside. While going downside, these are all the available liquidity points for me. These are all the supports, as I told you in the previous videos as well. The support points are very good liquid points because all the buyers who have bought from this level or this level or this level, they have put the stop losses below the support levels from here to here. And the very major thing was, as you can see, there were twice the level of liquidity available below this level. And that's why I targeted till this level over here. No doubt the price further continued towards the downside again. But my conjecture was right that I want to take out this liquidity. I want to take out the stop losses of the buyers from here at this point. And that's why I targeted till this level only. And I was able to convert my $100 stop loss into 3.55 risk reward by $355. So with a 42-cent stop loss, I was able to capture a dollar on a 49-cent move, or you can say a dollar and a 50-cent move. And I was able to convert my $100 into $355. This is how I traded on the United Health Group Incorporated. And this was a specific price action trade, which you can also follow. For further learning education videos, please do subscribe to the channel and like this video. And if you have any questions, you can put it in the comment box. For moving profits like this, and if you want to also gain momentum like this, you can contact us on the Instagram handle, the Forex Bible, where we try to help a lot of traders and investors on a regular basis by giving them a lot of opportunities from our side. So if you have time and you want to become a trader like this, you can follow us up for more educational content. And if you don't have time and you want someone to help with your portfolio, do not hesitate to contact us on our Instagram handle, the Forex Bible. Till then, good luck to your traders. See you in the next video.